Konami Part 1, Video 180. Before we render the tiles, we need to make a debugger called Konami, which is going to do debug procedures when we do the Konami code plus a letter A through Z. This is a invalid enumeration. This is for nothing. This is for filling the DOM with all ones and for filling the DOM with all zeros in the sections of Pix 2048 where the 3x3 grid of level packs is. Here's our lookup table. Everything is 0 indexed. A and B will be for those procedures for filling and emptying the DOM, and then everything else is set to nothing for now. We're going to make sure there's exactly 26 entries in that lookup table. And then we are stubbing in the Konami functions here. Right now, all we have is Konami EVT key. It takes a keyboard event given to it by the keyboard master, and then it will decide whether or not to execute debug functionality. Here's what we did previously. Here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer description, you can go to this playlist. You are on this playlist here. You can get the source code for this specific video right here, and you can email me here. This has been video 180, Konami Part 1. Like and subscribe.